Hi lovely, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in this month Glossybox October 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription box, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing also advent calendars too. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, before I start, lovelies, I'm really sorry my appearance today, but I just came from work and I did my shower, a quick shower one, and after I did my shower, this box came. So this one and another one I will unbox at the same day, but yeah, I have no makeup on. I did my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routines, but I was really excited to see what's inside. I know I did my spoiler, but still, when a box came, I'm always excited to open it. I always wanted to open them immediately because I'm so excited to try the products. But yes, if you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25. But if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £10, including the shipping fee, which is not bad. So yeah, let's open this box. And if you hear noises from the background, it's my kids. They just came from school too. So let's open this one. Oh, so satisfying every time I do that one. Wow, there are two boxes available, but it's quite random one. And first one is secret, I think, and it's this box, but I got the truth, and I must say, lovelies, these boxes are gorgeous. And if you will receive this box, when you feel this box, it's so like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's quite different. And it says here, the magical masquerade, the truth, and the mask. It's so gorgeous. Definitely I will keep this box. I think this is one of the best box in my opinion this year. So yes, I love this box. I will definitely keep this one. And ooh, inside, lovelies, we have a mask. So cute, isn't it? Really cute mask. This is perfect for Halloween, coming Halloween. But I will give this one to my daughter. She will love it. But yeah, so nice. And then we have the ribbon as always, and we have the booklet. But let's see first the sneak peek for November. Are you ready, lovely? So for next month, we will have F Bite Side Eyeshadow Palette in Berry Bud, in the shade Berry Bud. So here we go, the sneak peek for next month. And I really wanted to try this palette for a long time. And yes, and it says here, elegant, timeless, and sophisticated beauty. That's exactly what you will find boxed up in our November Beauty Desire Glossybox. We love the gorgeous Elf Bite-Size Eyeshadow Palette in Berry Bud. That's inside next month's box. Made up of full matte and shimmer pink and red shade, you are sure to make a statement. And then inside with the products description, and it says, hey Glossies, this month we are stepping into the wonderful world of the masquerade ball, where secrets are whispered and daring truths are told. With our special dual design magical masquerade box, you can either unleash your alter ego with our mysterious and alluring secret edition, which is I have, or be your authentic self with our captivating truth edit, allowing you to embrace captivating looks, the bold beauty products in your October Glossybox will ensure you exude confidence and become the belle of the ball. Love, Emily, Beauty Editor. So now let's see each product. We have a black tissue paper, And this month box, lovely, is quite heavy too. So the first one we have here, and I'm pretty sure this is a full size. This is from St. Luke's setting spray. It has 75 ml. Here we go. And inside packaging we have, oh, like this. And let's smell it, lovelies. I can use this one. So let's try this one, lovelies. The smell, it has a bit of smell, but it's not really that overpowering smell. It's kind of fruity scent, I think. Let's see in here. It says, this lightweight setting mist is perfect for giving your makeup a glowy finish. Not only is this spray formulated to allow you to achieve flawless makeup, it's also great for your skin too. Ingredients such as purslane and hyaluronic acid help accelerate the healing of damaged skin locked in moisture and instantly hydrate too. And it is a full size and it's rated for 18 pounds. Wow, this is very expensive, but yeah, it smells really nice. It's kind of fruity scent in my opinion. Don't know if I feel hydrated. Yes, it feels like hydrating one. My skin feels really soft, so I will try this one more and then I will let you know. And then the next one we have here, this is from Josephine, and this is I think this is a Lip Power Natural Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Meet Tiffany. Tiffane, I think. I don't know. Meet Tiffane, I think. Sorry my pronunciation. And if I didn't say it right, I'm really sorry. Very fancy packaging. It reminds me of Ilamasqua packaging. That's the vibe. And this one is a full size and it's rated for 21 pounds and 80 pence. Let's see the shade. And lovelies, I heard really good reviews of this liquid lipstick. I never heard from this brand and never tried this brand before, but they said that it's really a long-lasting liquid lipstick once dried. And yes, this is the shade, very red one, perfect for this season, autumn one, perfect for Halloween too, when if you wanted to go like a bold red lipstick. And this one, it says, luxurious and vibrant, this powerful velvety matte liquid lip color is enriched with show-stopping pigment. In stunning deep red shade Tiffane, it's all you need to be bold. A blend of high-impact natural ingredients, think olive, coconut, and argan oil, as well as vitamin E. Create a superbly moisturizing texture that offers the longest wear too that you will love. So yes, I don't know if it's a matte. We'll see, because still trying. I'll definitely use this one. I love red lipstick. I don't wear it every day, but yes, I will still wear them. And the next one from the brand ENQUIRIES, and it's a full size, and we don't have the eyeliner, don't worry lovelies, but we have a spotlight highlighter pencil, and this one is rated for 15 pounds. So here we go. And the shade, let's see the shade. Ooh, it's very soft, which is I love. I don't really like those like hard one. Very, very soft one, and perfect for highlight. I don't even know if you can even see it, lovelies. It's here, but this one is perfect to highlight under your eyebrow, on your inner part of your eye. So yes, and this one, it says, raise your brows up a level with this brow arch highlighter in a gorgeous champagne gold shade. Formulated with jojoba oil and easy to blend, your brows will look their very best for up to 8 hours. Oh, and did you know this versatile makeup marvel can also be used in the inner corner of your eyes to brighten your peepers too? But also, lovelies, I think this is nice in your inner in your waterline too, just to highlight if you like to make it bigger your eyes. I think this is perfect too, because it's quite soft. It's not really harsh on your eyes too. So yes, really, really lovely shade. Next one we have here, and this is from Anatomicals, and this one, lovelies, this brand I have like a love-hate relationship, because some of the products I really do like it. The smells are really nice, but in my opinion didn't do anything for my skin. But yes, this one I never tried it, but I love the smell of this. This one is the Boob Tube Grab Your Melon Body Lotion, and this one it has 50 ml. I'm pretty sure this is just a travel size one, which is it's rated for 1 pound, which is the full size is 200 ml, and it's rated for 4 pounds. And it says, this special edition watermelon body lotion created exclusive for glosses, as well as a hydrating and moisturizing your skin. This one of lotion has a gorgeous watermelon fragrance you will adore. Yes, it smells really nice. It smells like summery, fruity scent. Love the scent. And then the last product we have here, yes, I think this is the last product, and this is a must right now. I'll definitely put this one in my handbag. I use it every single time. I think every 10 minutes I use this one because of my work too. This one from Espa, and this is the Eucalyptus and Tea Tree Cleansing Hand Spray. And to be honest, lovelies, I prefer this kind of hand sanitizer than the gel one. The gel one, it makes my hands really dry, and I don't really like the feeling after you apply them. Like, it's the sticky, slimy feeling one. And to be honest, I don't really like that feeling, so I prefer the spray one. And also, lovelies, this one, I use it on surface when I go out, before I sit down in one of places, in the restaurant, on the table. I usually pop this one on the surface, and then with the tissue. And with kids too, it's really good one. Kids too, that they don't like the hand gel one. Well, my son, that he doesn't like the slimy feeling. So yeah, I'm really glad that we have in here. And this one, it's a deluxe sample size, deluxe mini size, and this one is 35 ml, and it's rated for 8 pounds. And this one, it says, infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oil, including eucalyptus and tea tree. This cleansing hand spray is a handbag delight. Not only will it leave your hands clean and fresh, but its captivating fragrance smell divine. Quick drying, this product is perfectly suited to glosses on the go. So yes, I would put in my hands, but I'm waiting for the liquid lipstick to dry. But it's dry now, lovelies, and it's quite sticky. Definitely, it's transfer, but I think it's still drying. So we'll see. The drying is quite long, to be honest, but the color is really gorgeous. Definitely I will use. So yes, that's all for my Glossybox unboxing, lovelies. Let's do a recap. So you will receive in this box a hand sanitizer. I think, lovelies, on lineup there was 2 hand sanitizer, one Espa and one another one. I don't really remember. I think if you receive this box, I think you receive the Espa one. The next product you will receive also from Anatomical, the Boob Tube Grab Your Melons Body Lotion, and you will receive a full size product from St. Luke's, the setting spray, and then a full size product from Josephine, a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Tiffany, and then a full size product from Ico, the Spotlight Highlighter Pencil. So yes, overall, lovelies, let's start with the box. Gorgeous box, definitely I think this is one of their best design box this year, in my opinion. The contents of the product, I really do like it, lovelies, to be honest, because most of this product I don't have in my collection. So new products, new brands to try, that's the thing that I like from subscription boxes, to be honest. So yes, definitely I will use every single product in this box. So yeah, that's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think of this month's box? Did you receive it? Are you waiting for this box? What did you receive? What box did you receive? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mm.